So we're picking up where we left off. We're going to get that inner dial to work, hopefully. Going to try. So what we have now is the jog shuttle going left and right. And then we're going to get the buttons. This is upside down. I wasn't thinking and did this upside down. It should be the other way, and left and right should work. So that's going to make it go backwards. That shouldn't be hard. We just got to fix some of the code. We don't have to do any other things like redoing the pins. We can do this all in code. So first let's flip it. All right, let's put it in the right way. All right, there we go, flipped. Now let's check out the code, and I guarantee I gotta work on it. Orientation is fixed the right way, so now we have access to buttons. We're gonna try to get those buttons to work too, so I can use this whole thing in its entirety. But let's see if I'm right. I know I'm right. So there's the jog shuttle center. Now I'm gonna go left, and then I'm gonna go right. Wait a minute, that's working, huh? I didn't change the code or anything. All right, well, see you in the next one, getting the dial to work.